Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are learning topic-wise MCQ series on Indian polity. Today's topic, Supreme Court of India. Your first question, the Supreme Court of India was established in which year? Correct answer, 1950. Supreme Court was established on 26 January 1950, the day Constitution came into force. Next question. The Supreme Court of India is mentioned in which part of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer, Part 5. Part 5 deals with the Union government, including the Supreme Court. Next question. Who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court? Correct answer, President. Supreme Court judges are appointed by the President after consultation with judges. Next question. The Supreme Court of India is the court of the country. Correct answer, highest. Supreme Court of India is the highest and final court of appeal in India. Next question. What is the minimum age to become a Supreme Court judge? Correct answer, no minimum age mentioned. The Constitution does not mention any minimum age, only qualifications are given. Next question. The retirement age of Supreme Court judge is? Correct answer, 65 years. Next question. Who is the head of the Supreme Court? Correct answer, Chief Justice of India. The highest authority in the judiciary is the Chief Justice of India. Next question. The Supreme Court of India is located in? Correct answer, New Delhi. Next question. Who is the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer, Surya Kant. Next question. The total number of judges in the Supreme Court is currently? Correct answer, 34. After the 2019 amendment, the sanctioned strength equal to 34 judges. Next question. Which article deals with the appointment of Supreme Court judges? Correct answer, Article 124. Article 124 provides for the establishment and appointment of Supreme Court judges. Next question. Supreme Court is also called the Court of India. Correct answer, Apex. Supreme Court is the highest court in India. Next question. Who administers the oath to the Chief Justice of India? Correct answer, President. Next question. Which article empowers the Supreme Court to enforce fundamental rights? Correct answer, Article 32. Article 32, right to constitutional remedies. Supreme Court can issue writs. Next question. Judges of the Supreme Court can be removed by? Correct answer, Parliament by impeachment. Removal requires special majority of both houses. Next question. The Supreme Court mainly functions is which type of jurisdiction? A. Original, B. Appellate, C. Advisory, D. All of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Supreme Court has original, appellate and advisory jurisdiction. Next question. The power to judicial review in India is exercised by? Correct answer, Supreme Court. Supreme Court can review laws and declare them unconstitutional. Next question. Which court is the guardian of the Constitution? Correct answer, Supreme Court. Supreme Court protects the Constitution and fundamental rights. Next question. The term of office of a Supreme Court judge is? Correct answer, till age 65. No fixed term. They serve until 65 years. Next question. The Supreme Court issues writs under? Correct answer, Article 32. Writs like habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, and quo warranto are issued under Article 32. Next question. The Supreme Court of India stands at the apex of which system? Correct answer, judicial system. The Supreme Court is the highest court and sits at the top of the judicial system. Next question. Article 124 deals with the which of the following? Correct answer, establishment and constitution of the Supreme Court. Article 124 provides for the establishment, composition, working of the Supreme Court. Next question. Under Article 124 Clause 2, a judge of the Supreme Court can resign by writing to whom? Correct answer, President. Next question. Minimum qualification to become a Supreme Court judge includes? A. Citizens of India only. B. High Court judge for 5 years. C. Advocate in High Court for 10 years. D. All of the above. Correct answer, all of the above. Under Article 124, Clause 3, a person must be citizens of India, High Court judge for 5 years, High Court advocate for 10 years, or a distinguished jurist in the opinion of the President. Next question. Article 124, Clause 4 provides for removal of Supreme Court judges on the grounds of? Correct answer, proved misbehavior or incapacity. Judges can be removed only by a special majority of both houses in these two grounds. Next question. Article 125 deals with which subject? Correct answer, salaries and allowances of Supreme Court judges. Under Article 125, Parliament determines salary, privileges, leave and pensions of Supreme Court judges. Next question. Under Article 126, who appoints the acting Chief Justice? Correct answer, President. The President appoints an acting Chief Justice of India when office is vacant, CJI is absent or unable to perform duties. Next question. Article 127 deals with the appointments of? Correct answer, ad hoc judges. In case of lack of quorum, the CJI may appoint a High Court judge as an ad hoc judge of the Supreme Court. Next question. Under Article 128, who may be requested to act as Supreme Court judge? Correct answer, retired judges of the Supreme Court. The Chief Justice of India requests retired Supreme Court judges to serve temporarily. Next question. Article 129 declares the Supreme Court as a? Correct answer, court of record. Court of record means judgment preserved forever, power to punish for contempt of court. Next question. According to Article 130, the seat of the Supreme Court is located at? Correct answer, Delhi. The Constitution declares Delhi as the seat of the Supreme Court of India. Next question. The Chief Justice of India can shift the seat of the Supreme Court to another place with the approval of. Correct answer, President. Under Article 130, the Chief Justice of India may change the venue only with prior presidential approval. Next question. What is the tenure of the Chief Justice of India? Correct answer, no fixed tenure. Retires at 65 years. The Chief Justice of India serves until attains 65 years of age. Next question. Article 131 refers to which jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? Correct answer, original jurisdiction. Original jurisdiction covers dispute between center and states, two or more states. Next question. Article 132 relates to. Correct answer, appellate jurisdiction. Supreme Court can hear appeals High Court judgment under Article 132. Next question. Under Article 137, the Supreme Court has the power of. Correct answer, judicial review. Judicial review empowers Supreme Court to examine constitutionally of laws and acts of government. Next question. Article 141 states that. Correct answer, law declared by Supreme Court is binding on all courts. Supreme Court decisions become law of the land for all courts in India. Your last question. Article 143 provides for. Correct answer, advisory jurisdiction. Under Article 143, the President may seek advisory opinion of the Supreme Court on any question of law or public importance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel.